learning today?
Today we're going to learn about singular versus plural nouns.
Wow, that sounds interesting. Apple and apples?
Well, apple is one, and apples means more than one.
Oh, I get it now. One thing is singular. Apple. Oh, I see. This is one apple, so it's singular.
What about all the green ones?
Those are plural. See how many there are? We add mitigus s to make plural. Like cat to cats.
Easy.
Some plurals are different. Wow. Watch the pages. Wow. See?
Adding s makes it plural, just like dog to dogs.
Dogs is plural, just like car to cars.
Want to learn more?
Subscribe to our channel.
Like, share, and bye, viewers. See you next episode.